Hello and welcome to your daily 7 minutes of Unity. This is the first video of this series. I am glad that you decided to start the journey of becoming a game developer. Always remember, this is a long haul, not a speed race. With this in mind, let's start the episode. The first thing you need to know is how to create your first project. After you are done installing Unity, you need to open the Unity Hub. There will appear a lot of tabs, but those are not important for this moment. What you need to know is you have to press the new button and another tab will appear. There, you can set your project name. Let's call it my first project. And there you can set the location. This means where your project folder will be saved. You can set it wherever you want on your PC. Those are the templates. You can set it 2D or 3D. I recommend you not to use 3D with extras, high definition RP or low RP, because those implies some knowledge about rendering pipelines. After you are done doing this, you have to press the create button. It will take some moments depending on your PC. After Unity loaded, we will see this screen. This is the Unity editor. Right there, we can see the hierarchy. There you can add all the game objects you want to be on your game. You can add them by pressing the right click on your mouse, and let's add the 3D object cube. This cube will be added as well on your scene, because this is what you see on your game. What you see on your game is what the main camera actually sees, what the main camera renders. If we are moving the camera, you can see that the player isn't there anymore. Let's put the player right into the center of the camera. Okay, you can see this. We can move as well the camera by changing axis on the transform from the inspector. Another thing you need to know is what assets are. Onto the assets tab, you have to add all your folders you want to create on your game, like let's call my first textures. Right there you can add the textures, prefabs, or everything we want to have on your game. Another thing you need to know is how to create your first C# script. You have to press the right click on your mouse, create, and C# script. Let's call it my first script. Now, maybe you are wondering how to add the script to your player. Place on the cube and let's drag and drop the script right into the inspector. If you don't know how to do this, there is another way of adding the script to your player. Let's delete it by removing component and let's try again. Add component, my first script. Okay. Another thing you need to know are what are those tabs. This is scene, where you can move your game objects. That is actually what you are going to see when you are creating your game. This is the game. This is what, as I told you, this is what main camera renders. Animator is something you will learn in the future tutorials. And let's see what is the asset store. Let's try searching for something like controller. And as you can see, different people are selling their assets for a little sum of money. If you are a beginner, this will help you because there are some assets that are free. I'll show you. Okay, those are free, and you can see the scripts actually some programmer used, and you can learn from them. Okay, this was the first video. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from it. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.